First destination, that's Sapna Hotel in Pune. I hope it's like first class or not some dingy spot. Yeah, like some a good of our college trip, and we're heading.
Good morning.
I don't know where we're heading to. Some handmade workshop, and we're just done with breakfast. I had cornflakes and parathas, and looking forward to today. See what's in store for us.
Now we are going to handmade paper. We are going to see how the handmade paper is done and all, how the process. So let's hope it's good. Let's hope this day is good, because yesterday we didn't get to go in many places. We got lost and all. Sort of tired. Hope it's not the same story today. So let's catch up later. Hey, we meet again. We just now finished our tour. That is, had gone in the handmade industry. We've seen the paper, how it's made. It's a very nice, interesting way. It's made up of that rag material, the cloth. It's nicely processed, and it's a lovely way to see the paper. Now that they're just sitting in front of the shop, they have this shop, and these wonderful papers are there, and these books which are made up of handmade paper. It's a wonderful book. So this is a very nice place. It's a very nice experience, and who loves paper and who adores paper so much, please do come over here, because you get stuff here, awesome papers for really less price.
Hey, we're just done with the paperwork handicraft phase, and we're heading to Kala Cave. It's like 11 now, and yeah, that's it.
I think we traveled 17 kilometers from Pune to reach here at Karla Caves. You can see the mountain over here, this huge mountain. We're going to walk on it. There are these beautiful caves which dates back to BC. They are way ancient than Ajanta caves. So we have to walk very much. We have to walk a long distance, and that's why it's a hot sun over here. That's why I'm wearing this jacket. So let's move on.
Very tiring.
the Karla caves was some kids running around and trying to catch a boat, and there's nothing really interesting about the caves, but the main, after the temple, the main area is like really beautiful. It has these huge sculptures and intricate work, and the gate and everything is really nice. And now we're heading back to the bus.
कार्ला केव से निकले हैं और इतना टाइम हो गया, 4 बज गए, लेकिन अभी तक किसी ने खाना नहीं खाया है।
अभी नाच बाकी है यार।
सब सो चुके हैं, शायद सब भूल भी चुके हैं खाने के बारे में, और शायद हम अब जाकर भी खाना ना खाएं। पर इतनी अजीब बात है कि जो बच्चे खाने के लिए लंच टाइम में स्कूल में अपना असाइनमेंट कॉलेज में असाइनमेंट छोड़ देते थे, वो आज यहाँ बस में सो रहे हैं। ऑलमोस्ट सब लोग सो रहे हैं।
We are back now. We are all set to go to the Shaniwar Wada fort, which we missed yesterday because of some inconvenience. We couldn't go, and now we are all powered up, charged up, because in the afternoon we had got to Karla caves. They had come long journey. We didn't have lunch, so we are all sort of sad and tired. So now we are all charged up. We had our everything, refreshments and everything, and we are ready to go to the Shaniwar Wada. Now let's see. Hope we enjoys it. I think we'll enjoy it because everything is done, and yeah, that's all. So let's see what happens next. My friend Sayesh, my classmate. Okay, we reached here the place. Come on, let's go and watch it. What's going on?
Wow! What a wonderful palace! What solid walls! This palace looks like a fort. Hey, look! That's the Delhi Darwaza. Look at those paintings on the entrance. How beautiful they are! The Wada has 9 watchtowers and 5 gates. That's the Ganesh Darwaza, the way to the Peshwa's famous Ganesh Mahal. Bajirao Peshwa was a matchless ruler, a warrior without equal. Indeed, in all his career, spanning 2 decades, Peshwa Bajirao never lost a single war. The ruler of Bundelkhand, Chhatrasal Bundel.
Hello, we meet again. It's quite late now. We just attended audio-visual show on the history of this fort, that is Shaniwar Wada. We had expected a lot of things to be here, nice visual effects, but nothing. There were only audios, nice big speakers right in front of big awesome speakers, nice, and some bulbs blinking over there and there. Right? It was very bad. So history was nice, but I lost it. Yeah. I fell asleep in the middle. Suddenly there was firework there and I got up. I think that was a dead trick too.
That was a highlight, the firework.
Oh. So this is all. We had nice sleep. Hey, what's up? Good morning. Okay, we are just chilling here and we're gonna leave now. After some 15-20 minutes, we're going to go first to Panchgiri, then to Mahabaleshwar. We're not complete our sleep yet, so feeling very sleepy. We're gonna sleep in the bus. We're gonna reach Panchgiri in the afternoon. We're gonna stay there for some time, and then we're gonna move to Mahabaleshwar. It's very cold. Panchgani. We are on the Panchgani plateau. You can see the plateaus everywhere. See, there is one plateau. There's a beautiful plateau over here. While coming over here, we saw this beautiful slopes, and it looks like it's it's very sunny, but it's very chilly. The air is very cold over here. You will love it. It's beautiful. It's just amazing. And just now a horse went over there. So bye. Yeah, we were there in Panchgani for at least more than 1 hour. We went to Panchgani plateau. It was beautiful over there. So yeah, in Mahabaleshwar right now. We'll be going in our dormitory and we'll be staying there for today and tomorrow. Thank you. Hi guys, we are in this macro industry where they make chocolates and all sort of syrups, fruit syrups, strawberry syrups, all sort of syrups they found over here. Right now I'm standing right in front of the chocolate factory. Here they have this, I think they have this nuts which they dip it in the chocolate. It's raw chocolate and it's being processed. Here you can see there's different machines. There is a rough texture right now. Then it goes to another machine where it gets more grind. You know, it becomes more smoother and the texture becomes really smooth. You can see in this machine over here. It's dark chocolate, chocolatey filled nuts. You know, the nuts are coated with chocolate. So these are the machines. We are not allowed to go inside, as you know, for obvious reasons. So this is the chocolate making industry. Now we'll be going around and looking around many stuff over here because even the garden is lovely over here. Look at the flowers, look at the bouquets of the flowers. It's really, really, really lovely. So catch on. There are many things to be discovered here. Okay, we are going back to dormitory. It's really, really cold now. We are in the city right now and it's feeling so cold. I don't know what's the conditions over there because it's like really nice place with the trees and everything. It will be totally, I don't have words for that. It's very cold, very, very, very cold. We had our dinner over here. We went to this Mala street, which is a famous street here for shopping. Many stops were there, many nice stuff. So we came back now in the bus and we are moving back. Hope to have fun over there. Okay, we reached here at our dormitory. This is our boys' dormitory where the boys will be staying. There are, I think, 20 beds. No, less than that something. But we all are very comfortable. It's very nice. It's not going to be like Pune where all were separated and put apart. Everybody is going to be here and we're going to have fun today at night, chatting this and that. And now we're going to have bath now. Hope these people have put on the geyser. Otherwise we'll be frozen to death. So it's pretty late now, so I think we should get into our baths. Hello guys, good morning. I'm standing next to the girls' dormitory. Okay, I'm moving out from Pratapgarh now in our buses. It's such a beautiful morning over here. It's pretty. The weather is awesome, really awesome. It's cold, it's not so cold, it's not so hot, it's just beautiful. And look at the sun rays over here, it's so nice. Everything seems to be glowing very nicely, the background and all. And here's my friend Julian who's coming over here.
Hello. Hi.
So we are moving to Pratapgarh now. I don't know what the rest about it. Yeah, what's the rest?
Today we're going to go boating.
Yeah, and go-karting.
And horse riding.
Yeah,
so we're
everybody's so
looking
excited
forward to
about that.
Yeah.
I know. Charles. See you later then. Basically, this is a place, you know, which has a cool fort. It has a tremendous height, and you have damn good landscapes. And this is, you know, a place where, you know, photography is to the heights.
We are here at some old Mahabaleshwar point somewhere. This is known as Kate's Point. And behind me stands what's called as a elephant's face in front. And you can see the trumpet in front, which forms the full face of the elephant. And this is a beautiful scenery in front of us.
Hi, strawberries are really famous in Mahabaleshwar, and right now we are in strawberry plantation. There you can see the growing strawberries, which have not come up yet. And according to these people, once you grow them, within 2 months, 15 days, you get small strawberries coming up.
What do you eat, man?
Hi guys, see this is Arthur's Seat Point. It's really foggy down here and we are at a very great height, and you can see mountains, just borders of the mountains, and they're going deep down, and it's all foggy over here. You can't see anything, you can't even click pictures, no clear pictures are coming. Why they call here Arthur's Seat, I don't know, really don't know, because this Arthur guy was sitting in the book over here, it seems. And the book flew away, he tried to catch the book and he fell down and he died over here. That's the story behind this. Hi, we are taking the woods for our campfire. We are trying to collect as many possible as wood as can. There's Leroy is picking up the sticks over there, and Alistair. Such nice guys, I know. We are going to keep this in the bus. We're going to take their dormitory, and we are going to have a nice campfire today. Awesome entertainment will be there. Srishti will be entertaining us today. Awesome. I know.
I hope I will be.
So, campfire will rock. Today is our last day of the tour. Tomorrow. Okay, just animals went by there. Okay, and now we'll be going. Tomorrow we'll be leaving for Goa, and yeah, late night. No, not late night. Somewhere in the night, around at 9 o'clock or something, we'll be in Goa.
I want to break free. I want to break free. Say on. I want to break free from your lies. They are so self-satisfying. I don't need you. I want to break free. God knows I want to break free. Hare jitlara song nezo, kodar kite mozo. Idun moja gordara to pider kelo bezo. Oro piyon this moja gorak lailo uho. Yo pele yo, salma kati koilo. Salma kati na zala tuzo futoro toklo. Yo pele yo, salma kati koilo. Sorokina झाल्या तुझो फोटो लोटकलो उकलीचे नाव बेला सोना बेला उकली पडलो बेला Yo, moga, gobandurunga shketa tuka Yo, moga, gobandurunga shketa tuka La 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 Wait, katakoi, katapila Wait, katakoi, katapila
Hey guys, good morning. Okay, this is the end of everything. This is the end of our tour. We'll be leaving now from here to go back to Goa. This is our luggage stuffed inside the bus. There. Here's Sabita missed. Oh, here she's running away now. So we are very tired. We just had 3 hours sleep because yesterday night we were just chatting around and everything. It's nice. Feels very nice. At the same time, we're feeling very sad because it's like all this time we were having awesome fun over here, but now we have to go back to our lives, same lives again. Go home and do campaigns, and come back to college, and yeah. So we'll miss everything. We'll miss my friends. You know, we had this beautiful. Yesterday we had a talk. And we sang songs around campfire. See over there, campfire. It's done, gone, ash. So it was all nice. Teachers were nice. They took us here and there to these beautiful places. Really thankful to them, and yeah, and all my friends because we had awesome fun. And we'll always remember this. Yeah, hey guys, we meet again. We reached Goa finally after this whole day travel. First, we had a little bit problem with our bus in the morning when we had gone to have breakfast. Our bus got stuck in some mud pile and then we had to do a lot of work. Actually, we didn't have to do anything. The drivers did everything, so thanks to them. So that's it too. It was very lovely with my classmates over here. They were all full on power, recharged, charged with every sort of talents they had. They just poured it out yesterday night. It was awesome. It was like an awesome time we ever had in our whole life because I never had so much of fun in all these 4 days. Always I used to have this fun only on one day, but all these 4 days was like really good. And teachers also, they never let us down. They always supported us whatever we did. It's like Sabita, Miss Elisa, really nice. They took us to these lovely places here and there, and like we enjoyed a lot. That's all. So this will always be remembered. This will be the best trip of our life.